Here's how to log into Newsella and find articles in Spanish. Let's go. I sign in with my Google account. Then when I click Browse, I go to En Español. And you can search by different topics. I typically look at what's popular. And these tend to update every few months because sometimes you see that the same articles over and over again. So just know that they don't always update them all the time. You can click see more in popular. And then I just look for something that stands out to me, or sometimes if I'm working one-on-one with a student, I'll ask them to choose from 3 different ones that I think might be appropriate for them. And that way they can have some choice too. So let's take a look at this. A lot of students like sharks, right? So first of all, how do you choose what level? Well, if you know your student's Spanish level or English level, then you can choose based on these different lexiles. So you can also think, okay, are they beginner, intermediate, or advanced with Spanish, and then go from there and take a look at these. So let's look at the beginner level. Even if your students are in Spanish 1, this is probably going to be a little bit difficult for them. But what you could do too is have them read the article in English, and then they could do some comparison, and you could break it up into smaller sections. So maybe you just want to have them focus on the first paragraph one day so it's not too overwhelming for them. But the nice thing about this is you can print this. So let's look at print. I click article only, and then from here you're gonna click print once it opens up. Okay, so here you can see the full article. It's not super long. It's about a page long. But it's nice that there's some images here too. Let's take a look at if we want to print with the quiz or with the answers. I feel like in the past they didn't always have the answers available. Let's see if these are. Yeah, I think the answers are only available if you're subscribed or something like that. Let's look at even if you can just get the quiz. All right, so you can get the quiz. I'm not really sure why they don't allow you to get the answers to the quiz. So that is an extra step you'll have to take is read the article and then find out what the answers would be. You can maybe reach out to somebody at your school or in your district and see if they know how you can access the answers. I think it might be related to having a paid subscription, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you guys know in the comments, definitely let us know in the comments if you are aware of how to get those answers when you click on print and then article, quiz, and answers, why they don't show up. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for staying till the end. And one video to check out next is my Spanish emergency sub plans if you are a Spanish teacher, because I talk about how you can use these articles for your Spanish sub plans. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below because that does help other teachers find this. It bumps my video up in the algorithm. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.